Welcome to Future Wheels. Porsche has just unveiled a brand new race car, and it marks a major shift in the company's customer racing program. Meet the new Porsche 911 GT4 R, the first GT4 race car in Porsche history to be based on the iconic 911 platform rather than the Cayman. Built for global GT4 competition, the 911 GT4 R is powered by a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six boxer engine, producing up to 520 horsepower. The race car shares much of its DNA with Porsche's latest 911 Cup car, giving teams and drivers a more powerful and advanced platform than the outgoing 718 Cayman-based GT4 race cars. Porsche says the new GT4 R features wider front and rear tracks, upgraded motorsport electronics, and improved handling characteristics designed to deliver faster lap times, greater stability, and better drivability on the track. The car is expected to make its racing debut in the 2027 season and will be eligible for major GT4 championships around the world, including the IMSA Michelin Pilot Challenge, GT4 European Series, and other series that follow GT4 regulations. This launch also signals the end of an era, as the highly successful 718 Cayman GT4 race cars begin to make way for a new generation of Porsche customer racers. With the 911 GT4 R, Porsche is creating a clearer pathway from one-make cup racing to international GT4 competition, all using the legendary 911 platform. What do you think about Porsche replacing the Cayman-based GT4 racer with a 911? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Future Wheels for more automotive news and performance car updates.